Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of BadBandCook. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. So today I thought we'll start with a nostalgic delight, coconut biscuits. I'm sure everyone loves them. They're very simple to make. All you need is a couple of egg whites. So I have 3 here with me. And I have some caster sugar. That's about 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to whisk that until the sugar dissolves. After which I'll add my baking powder, some corn flour, and a pinch of salt, which I missed out. Then I'm just going to take my baking powder and sift it in. Just use the back of a spoon to push it out of the sieve. So I've added in my corn flour, and then lastly I'm going to go in with some corn syrup. You could even use glucose syrup. I just sprayed my spoon with some cooking spray to avoid the spray sticking to the spoon. And yeah, so I have added around about 2 teaspoons. That goes in. Make sure that everything's incorporated and you end up with a nice glossy batter. Then you add your desiccated coconut and some vanilla bean paste, or if you don't have that, that's no problem at all. You could even use some extract, but do not use essence, please. So I'm gonna mix that up. It's gonna look like a fairly dry batter. I'm just gonna take a large ice cream scoop and portion my batter. I'm gonna wet my fingers like I did and just shape the cookies.